Apple says apps that haven't been updated in 2 years will be removed from sale. And here on Eurogamer.net, they say this is an unfair barrier to indie devs. Well, that's a quote. Somebody said that in the article. Apps that haven't been updated. Oh, yeah, that's a problem for indie devs because they can't. A lot of times they moved on to some next project, and the thing is a nice little moneymaker for them. Nice little business for them.
Right.
And Apple's like...
Passive income.
Yeah, Might be a Flappy Bird or two.
Could be.
You remember that game?
Yeah.
Were you flapping?
I was never good at it. I would download it and I tried to get into the hype of everybody.
I'm glad Will's back. Did you see he's back now?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got Otis behind him. You know, he's finally relaxed.
It's a controlled situation.
He's finally relaxed.
It's a controlled situation.
I look over there. There's a smile on his face every so often. He's back, and I love it.
Well, I'm just looking at Twitter right now. I'm just trying to see if there's any updates.
Oh, okay. No, that's fine.
Constantly scrolling.
No. Hey, man. We appreciate. Man. But most importantly, we just want to make sure you're having a good time, Will.
Well, I'm having a great time.
Because, like, during the process of the show, I got to keep tabs on the both of you. I talk about his heartbeat, but I got them both. I just make sure you guys are in the right mood, you know?
How are you? You're good?
Never been better.
Okay.
This is, you're looking
Someone
at
got to
it.
check up on you.
No. That's fine.
All right.
I got no sympathy necessary here. All right?
Yeah.
It's not what I want. It's not what I need. I just need a social media to call my own. That's not true, by the way. Don't give me any social media. I'll just have an account. That's it. I'll have a Twitter account.
Yeah.
You can find me. In an email to Protopop Games, Apple reportedly said this app has not been updated in a significant amount of time and is scheduled, of course they're going to say privacy security, scheduled to be deleted. Unfortunately, the fact that you're not looking at this app anymore, we can't trust you. You could be this could be dangerous for our users in our app store, which is the only way you can reach our users. Go talk to Congress if you disagree. Go talk to Tim Sweeney if you disagree. You know Tim Sweeney? He does?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's Elon Jet.
Oh, Elon Jet, that guy, yeah. He's been on the show.
Is he?
Is it Tim Sweeney?
Is he? Is he? That's not even who I meant. That's not who I meant.
Is it Tim Sweeney?
No.
I know who you're talking about. Epic Games, right?
Yeah, what's his name?
Is it Tim Sweeney too?
I don't know.
Okay, nobody knows what's going on anymore.
We have to get to the bottom of this. Like, thank God I asked.
Oh, is that Dave?
Thank God I asked if Mo knew about it. Yeah, Tim's. That's who I'm talking about. Who are you?
Who am I talking about?
Elon Jet. His name was Sweeney something or something Sweeney.
He was also Tim. So get out of here, Will. Are you sure?
No, I must be wrong.
We had him on the show.
Yeah, just
I'll find it.
Tom Sweeney.
Jack Sweeney.
Jack Sweeney. Okay, like
sorry, Jack. I
holy
apologize.
cow! Holy cow! Chaotic over here.
That was a close one.
Why would I be mentioning Elon Jet though? Because I was talking about antitrust.
You always throw the
no, but I was talking
oddball.
No, because I was talking about antitrust and the App Store. So of course I was talking about Epic. Will, not Elon Jet.
All right. Well, you almost believed me too.
Well, I was just like, I honestly thought I entered another dimension where I had totally rearranged in my head the CEO of Epic and the Elon Jet guy. Like, that's what actually...
Well, they both have the last names.
Broke my brain.
And they both have, like, regular names. You know?
He means like Jack and Tom and just...
Tim, Jack, John. All of the above.
Will you have a regular name?
I do,
I'm sensitive. I'm sensitive to your regular... Yeah, to your regular name comment.
Well...
Because that depends on the region, you know?
Mm-hmm. Oh, my goodness.
lose a regular name.
Oh my God. Yeah, a couple regular names over there. Yeah, for sure.
Still nothing.
43 Billies. No big. Yeah, okay. So apparently this guy, the small developer, I presume, Protopop,
Right.
says, I feel sick. Apple just sent me an email saying they're removing my free game, Motivoto. It's part of their app improvement system. This is not cool. Console games from 2000 are still available for sale. This is an unfair barrier to indie devs. He might not have the bandwidth to go back and push some kind of an update to a game that has been rock solid since whenever.
Doesn't need one. Doesn't need an update.
Well done.
And now he's got to put in the work to do it.
And do what to it? What is there like?
Yeah, do you create like a faulty update?
Exactly.
Like you change, I don't know, you move one. You fix a typo or something.
Talking about one pixel?
Yeah, I don't know. What do you do?
I'm sitting here on a Friday night working myself to the bone after my day job, trying my best to scrape a living from my indie games, trying to keep up with Apple, Google, Unity, Xcode, macOS changes that happen so fast my head spins while performing worse on older devices. Apple confirms that these changes affect all applications, not just games, and should Apple staff encounter any issues with apps on the store, they'll get in touch with developers. Well, that sucks. I don't know how they defend it. They say they're trying to make the App Store better. There's probably some trash in there, no doubt. But obviously it's not this guy. He should be able to appeal. Mm-hmm. And hopefully that's how it works. Mm-hmm. But there's certainly some garbage that needs to be cleaned up in the App Store. That's anything in life.
Yeah.
And it's probably a hard thing to do. You got a lot of apps. But if he initiates the appeal, you have an appeals process, you look at it, and then maybe you keep it around. In his case, I would hope.